US indices have posted a very strong recovery for the day after a swing and a greater dip yesterday. We have seen now indices trading bullish, and also this is a big day. The inflation data is going to drive the markets. Which direction it's going to be? Definitely, it's going to be another volatile day we have been always seeing. Now, the swing is the trend. It is the markets or indices are swinging like anything. We have seen extreme volatility prevailing here. Thus, with the data, it should add up to further volatility, and then with the US session. Thus today specifically, trade with the stop loss and a trade with the trailing stop loss. And also this is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, India and Dow. Watch. If you look at S&P, see what it has done. It is under retracement as of now. I will wait for this to trade now above 5640 levels. That is the only level above which you can expect slight bullishness to prevail, and a move beyond 5640 should be a confirmation for further up move here. Now see what's happening here after the rise here. It is erased some of the gains, then rise, retracement, then rise. It could retrace towards where, as long as now 5570 zone is not taken, do not treat this as. Now see, the stochastic is overbought while the MACD is under retracement, looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls here, supportive of further bullishness. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see after the drop, it is now retraced towards 20 period. 20 period offering a good resistance, but see after a while now the prices are trading about 20 period. It is not that it cannot trade further bullish, but I can see a good range of support now coming in from the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Bands. And then below that you can expect 558070 as a greater support. Right now it is looking upwards, staying bullish. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with little divergence and bullishness, and the RSI is rising here. So signs are still supportive for further bullish. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at, see every drop is followed with a retracement towards 20 period, and this time is no other exception. It is just trying to move towards 20 period now. That is why I say till 56404 do not treat this as bullish, and once it trades beyond 56404 you can expect a rise all the way towards 5660, 5680, and in fact 5700 levels. See, one single bearish candle, so many candles are taken in order to erase the losses from this, and thus this suggests that the bulls are not very much interested here. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading bullish. The RSI is right, and if you look at 4-hour charts, the observation is more or less same: drop, retracement, drop, and it is trying to bounce back. We have to wait for it to stay beyond 56404 to first, 56505 to second. Yes, the indicators are looking forward to an up move. The crossover here in the MACD on the 4-hour charts is very, very important because this is coming after a greater dip. This also may call for a reversal here. RSI is rising. Coming to daily. Now, when you look at the daily charts, the S&P has delivered strong bearish current so far for the last few weeks. And now with that as currency, yesterday what we had seen, we have seen a swing here. With that as swing, what it has done today, it has started on a bullish note. I can see lower highs, means it is going to be difficult for S&P to trade beyond 56404 to first and 565052 to second. If these two levels are stay bullish for 5665, 568, 55700 levels are possible. But what we are seeing here is a swing yesterday and today, as long as now 5652 levels are not taken, possibility of a reversal will be high, where you can look forward to lower lows. Lower lows means the next targets are going to be far below, towards 5500. Stochastic at bottom, MACD sharply bearish, RSI over. Now considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 5624, expect 5632, 564042, 565052. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 5665, 5680, and then 8085, and then 5700, beyond which we are looking forward to 5720, 5750, though I'm not ready for such a rise here. Let's watch out as and how it breaks past these resistance levels. You can definitely see an increasing bullish momentum here. Be mindful of this. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 5604. Expect 5595, 5580, and then 5550. Below 5550 is where you can expect a greater correction all the way towards 5500 levels possibly. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Tech 100 likewise. See what has happened. Notice the formation. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Where are the highs of this channel? All the way towards 19800. What is happening here? After this greater correction, it is retraced, consolidated, and then again a bounce back. And if you see this, now it is going to be difficult for Tech 100 to trade below 19,400 360 levels. These are going to remain the prime support levels for the day. Yes, the stock I think has come to an overbought zone while the MACD is just starting to rise more. It is already trading in green after the crossover at the bottom. Coming to 2 hours. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, the drop retracement drop. On the 2 hour chart, similarly, you can find out the support is very strong now at 19,400. Thus, it is pretty important for the Tech 100 to trade below 19,400 360. That is the only zone below which you can say now bears are taking over. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI is rising, supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. 3 divergence was from the 20 period. It has come towards 20 period, getting a resistance at 20 period. Thus, it is pretty important for Tech 100 to trade beyond 19,600 660. These are the two levels which are going to play a major role, because once 19,660 is taken, the possibility will be very high for a move towards 19,740 800. The stochastic is rising here. The MACD is also crossed over, trading bullish, and the RSI is also rising. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, a very good support is created here, and rise retracement support here trying to bounce back, and then we can look forward to a move all the way towards 19,700 700, and then beyond that 19,740 800 levels to be seen. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also supportive for further rise. Coming to, it is important to note on the daily chart, see preceding candle, a swing candle here. With that a swing, it is trying to rise. I can see lower highs there, which suggests that it can still reverse and drop. So right now it is too early to conclude. As long as now 19,710 is not taken, you should not be treating Nasdaq 100 as bullish. So 19,600 you can buy, but then it is going to be difficult as long as 19,656 first, 19,710 second is not taken. Beyond this, it is going to turn bullish all the way towards 19,740 800 levels. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 19,480 levels, and expect it to move all the way to 19,420 40 zone first, 19,360 second. If at any point of time Tech 100 trades below 19,360, expect 19,310, 19,200, and once 19,200 is taken, stay short. This time we are looking forward to a greater correction all the way towards 19,000 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you self-free account at lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. When you look at the hourly chart, so US30 resistance here, then the drop, the resistance towards 20 period, then the drop. Now the support is seen at 41,400. Indeed, is a very good support. Also, now it is coming out of the first resistance zone at 41,600. So this is a good sign for the bulls. This confirms that there is a strong possibility for the next move towards 41,800. There is a strong possibility to it. So now, if you see it is staying beyond 41,700 levels, you can stay bullish from there, and then 41,800 is going to be a very critical resistance. Any move beyond 41,800 is clear sign of more bullishness all the way towards 42,000 42,100. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising, signs are supportive for further bullishness. While when you look at the 2 hour chart, see drop retracement towards 20 period, drop retracement towards 20 period, greater resistance available at 41,700 800 zone, and thus this zone is going to remain very critical for Dow Jones. Be mindful of this. As long as now 41,700 800 zone is not taken, you have to be careful with the buy. Stochastic overbought, MACD hitting the bottom. It is now crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI rising here. On the 3 hour charts, if similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts, one bigger bearish candle, then the retracement, and now it has to break beyond 42,000 42,100 in order to confirm a reversal. As long as 42,100 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. The stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. which is a good sign supportive of further bullishness. RSI also coming out of the oversold. The observation is same on the 4-hour chart. See, after this bearishness, trying to erase some of the losses from here, and there is a possibility that 42,000 cannot be denied. If it stays now above 41,700, 800 zone, just stay bullish from there. Breaking beyond 41,800, certainly the bulls will take over. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is trading sharply bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is oversold. Coming to daily. When you look at daily charts here, see greater decline was seen. Today the day started on a bullish note. I can also see this as a you can see movement to just create a wick here. As long as now 41,800 and 42,000 levels are not taken, we should not be treating this as reversal as long as 42,000 is not breached. Once 42,000 is breached, it can deliver a stronger rise, which can in fact take it all the way towards 42,200, 42,500 levels. Appears difficult though. Yes, stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is sharply bearish. The RSI is oversold. Things are oversold, but the indices are not showing any signs of a complete reversal here. And thus, I will recommend you to buy at 42, 41,710. Expect 41,780, 800 as the first target zone. 41,920 as the second, and 42,000, 42,050 as the third. If 42,050 is taken, stay bullish for 42,200, and then we can look forward to 42,500 levels, which is going to be a difficult target. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 41,500 40 levels. Expect 41,500, 480 as the first target, and then we can expect 41,400, and then 41,200, 41,000 to be there very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Thank you.